Greetings, fellow grade 12. So we are back again. Now what we are going to be looking at now, we are basically going to be looking at how can we calculate our N, or rather the number of installments that need to be made, right? Now let's look at this question. Now, firstly, they say, how long will it take Judy to save 550,000 if she invests 1,500 each month at an interest rate of 9.7 per annum compounded month. So basically here, what we are given, this one is, this is our future value, because now remember that Judy want to save so that he can accumulate this money, which is 550,000, and she is going to be investing 1,500 each month, right? So now we want to calculate in terms of how long will Judy therefore be in a position to acquire that amount of money if she invests 1,500 each month at a given interest rate of 9.7% compounded monthly. Now, what is it that we are going to do firstly here? So since this is your future value, this is going to be our future value. So we are going to use our future value formula, which is going to be 1 plus your interest n subtract 1, right? And then all of these to the power of your I. Now, firstly, what are we given here? What we are given, if we can start checking firstly in terms of what are we given? We are given what is going to be your future value. Your future value is going to be 550,000, and we are given our X, which is the monthly installments. We are saying now the monthly installment is 1,500, and at a given interest rate of what? Of 9.7%, and 9.7% is same as 9.7 over 100. And in this case, because we are given this monthly, so this is going to be same as 0.097 for what? For 12 months, because the compounding period is 12. So what we are seeking to find, basically, we want to calculate what is going to be our value of N. Now we are going to start here. For us to be in a position to calculate what is going to be our value of your N, now firstly, we have the future value, which is 550,000, which is going to 550,000. We have the monthly installment with which is same as 1,500 into, this is going to be now 1 plus, what is the interest given? It's 0.097 over 12, because that's the compounding period. Now we want to look for your N, subtract 1 over your I, isn't it so? And then what is our I? Basically, it's 0.097 over 12. So that's our value of our I. And now let's then continue and see what we can do. Now, I know most of us, tend to struggle here, but look, what you can simply do here is we're going to take this value here, start with it, and multiply it with the 550,000, right? So, and if you are going to multiply it, what are we then going to get? What you're going to get is basically 4,445, 83, right? And you continue to write all the units that you are going to be given there. Please do not round off to any decimal place as yet. And then we are continuing this side. This side, you still have the 1,500 into what? Into your 1 plus your 0.097 over your 12, and your N. Remember, because the N, that's what we are looking for, subtract to 1, isn't it so? Because that's what we have done so far. And then now let's make up some space here and try and continue. So what is it that we are going to do now? Then after that, we are going to divide with the 500, the 1,500. So when you divide with the 1,500, this other side, what you're going to have, basically, this is going to be same as 1,067 over your 360. When you divide by what? When you divide by 1,500 this side, you divide by 1,500 this side, isn't it so? Then this is going to be equal to, and then here what we are going to have basically here, let's continue. So this is same as now 1 plus you 0, 0,097 over your 12 to the power of n, isn't it so? Subtract 1. Now, then what is it that we are going to do now from here? We are going to take this one here. We're going to take this one here and substitute it this side, or rather add it on this other side. And when we are adding this here, what are we then going to have? We are going to have 1427 over your 260, which is going to be equals to, now what is it that we are going to have here? On this side, we are basically going to have the value here, it's going to be 12,097 over what? Over your 12, isn't it so? To the power of n. And now from here, what is it that then we're going to do? Now we are going to apply our logs. So when we are applying our log, so we are going to say now n is going to be log base of what? So this is going to be, so, and you see this one now, because this is the base of this exponent n, so this is going to come into your base. So this is going to be 12,097 over your 12, and then this one here, it's going to be the other bracket. So basically in your calculator, you're going to use this formula, or this parting that is almost like this, right? Yes, there is no x, but I'm just showing you in terms of where are you substituting these values. And now from there, what is it that we are going to do? This is going to be same as 1427 over 360. And now what is therefore going to be your log? Then if you punch this in your calculator, you're going to get your n, which is going to be 172 months, right? So which means the Judy needs to invest for 172 months in order for her to be in a position to acquire 5,000 or rather 550,000 of friends, right? So that's what basically we do when we calculate the number of installments.